In a flash analog to digital converter, the output of each comparator is connected to an input of A decoder, B priority encoder, C multiplexer, D demultiplexer. The correct answer is priority encoder. Which term applies to the maintaining of a given signal level until the next sampling? A. Holding, B. Aliasing, C. Shannon frequency sampling, D. Stair-stepping. The correct answer is holding. An op-amp has very A. High voltage gain, B. High input impedance, C. Low output impedance, D. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. For a 4-bit DAC, the least significant bit LSB is A. 6.25 of full scale, B. 0.625 of full scale, C. 12 of full scale, D. 1.2 of full scale. The correct answer is 6.25 of full scale. The dual-slope analog to digital converter finds extensive use in A. Digital voltmeters, B. Function generators, C. Frequency counters, D. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. The ADC0804 is an example of A. Single-slope analog to digital converter, B. Dual-slope analog to digital converter, C. Digital ramp analog to digital converter, D. Successive approximation analog to digital converter. The correct answer is successive approximation analog to digital converter. In a digital representation of voltages using an 8-bit binary code, how many values can be defined? A. 16, B. 64, C. 128, D. 256. The correct answer is 256. A 4-bit R2R ladder digital to analog converter uses A. 1 resistor value, B. 2 resistor values, C. 3 resistor values, D. 4 resistor values. The correct answer is 2 resistor values. A binary weighted input digital to analog converter has a feedback resistor RF of 12K. If 50 A of current is through the resistor, voltage out of the circuit is A. 0.6 V, B. 0.6 V, C. 0.1 V, D. 0.1 V. The correct answer is 0.6 V. The resolution of a 6-bit DAC is A. 63, B. 64, C. 15.9, D. 1.59. The correct answer is 1.59. Which type of ADC quantizes the analog signal into a stream of bits whose amount corresponds to the signal level? A. Successive approximation, B. Sigma delta, C. Dual slope, D. None of the above. The correct answer is sigma delta. A binary weighted input digital to analog converter has an input resistor of 100K. If the resistor is connected to a 5V source, current through the resistor is A. 50 mA, B. 50 A, C. 5 mA, D. 500 A. The correct answer is 50 A. In troubleshooting a DAC, we check its performance characteristics such as A. Non-monotonicity, B. Differential nonlinearity, C. Low and high gain, D. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. In a digital reproduction of an analog curve, accuracy can be increased by A. Sampling the curve more often, B. Sampling the curve less often, C. Decreasing the number of bits used to represent each sampled value, D. All of the above. The correct answer is sampling the curve more often. in a 4-bit R2R ladder digital to analog converter. Because of negative feedback, the operational amplifier keeps the inverting minus input near A 5 volts, B 0 volts, C a voltage determined by the binary weighted input, D none of the above. The correct answer is 0 volts. What is the result of taking more samples during the quantization process? A. More errors in the analog to digital conversion. B. More bit requirements. C. More accurate signal representation. D. More bit requirements and more accurate signal representation. The correct answer is more bit requirements and more accurate signal representation. Which AD conversion method has a fixed conversion time? A. Single slope analog to digital converter. B. Dual slope analog to digital converter. C. Digital ramp analog to digital converter. D. Successive approximation analog to digital converter. The correct answer is successive approximation analog to digital converter. Which is a typical application of digital signal processing? A. Noise elimination. B. Music signal processing. C. Image processing. D. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. If a DAC has a full scale or maximum output of 12 V and accuracy of 0.1, then the maximum error for any output voltage is A. 12 V, B. 120 mV, C. 12 mV, D. 0 V. The correct answer is 12 mV. What do we call the manipulation of an analog signal in a digital domain? A. Analog to digital conversion. B. Digital to analog conversion. C. Digital signal processing. D. Signal filtering. The correct answer is digital to analog conversion. How are unwanted frequencies removed prior to digital conversion? A. Pre-filters. B. Digital signal processing. C. Sample and hold circuits. D. All of the above. The correct answer is pre-filters. Which type of programming is typically used for digital signal processors? A. Assembly language. B. Machine language. C. D. None of the above. The correct answer is assembly language. Which of the following best defines Nyquist frequency? A. The frequency of resonance for the filtering circuit. B. The second harmonic. C. The lower frequency limit of sampling. D. The highest frequency component of a given analog signal. The correct answer is the highest frequency component of a given analog signal. Which is not an AD conversion error? A. Differential nonlinearity. B. Missing code. C. Incorrect code. D. Offset. The correct answer is differential nonlinearity. Settling time is normally defined as the time it takes a DAC to settle within a 1/8 lsb of its final value when a change occurs in the input code. B. 1/4 lsb of its final value when a change occurs in the input code. C. 1/2 lsb of its final value when a change occurs in the input code. D. 1 lsb of its final value when a change occurs in the input code. The correct answer is 1/2 lsb of its final value when a change occurs in the input code.